Hello, my name is Milind Baviskar, and today's video topic is exception handling in Java. So, the exception handling in Java is one of the most powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors so that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. So, today we will discuss about Java exceptions, its types, and the difference between checked and unchecked exceptions. So let's understand what is exception in Java. So the dictionary meaning of exception in Java is exception is an abnormal abnormal condition, and in Java an exception is an event that interrupt the normal flow of the program. So it is an object which is thrown at runtime. So what is exception handling? So exception handling is a mechanism to handle runtime errors such as class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exceptions, and remote exceptions. So let's discuss advantages of exception handling. The core advantage of exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of the application, and exception normally disrupts the normal flow of the applications. So that is why we need to handle exceptions. So let's consider a scenario. So suppose there are 10 statements in Java program and an exception occurs in the fifth statement. The rest of the code will not be executed due to that exception. So that is a statement 6 to 10 will not be executed. So however, when we perform exception handling, the rest of the statements will be executed, and that is why we use exception handling in Java. So some hierarchies of a Java exception classes. So the Java.lang throwable class is the root class of a Java exception hierarchy, inherited by two subclass, exception and error. The hierarchy of a Java exception classes, as now we are discussing. So there are two types of a throwable class, exception and error. So in the exception there is a IOE exception, SQL exception, class not found exception, and runtime exception. And there is a errors. So in the error, stack overflow error, vulnerable error, and outer memory error. So there is also sub types of runtime exception. So like arithmetic exceptions, null point exception, number format exceptions, and indexed out of bound exception. Thank you.